pissed off that you've been screwed over by SoFi and the car companies, that you attack this stuff with a vengeance.
Are you guys doing anything outside of your normal jobs? Any side hustles, anything to bring in extra?
Jesus Christ!
I've measured the decibels around our chillers 600 feet away like they were talking about, and you're only talking like 54 decibels. So they're like 54 decibels. So they're not loud. No, it's nothing at all. But, you know, like I said, it's just your initial feel.
Some feelings is, how can somebody like me who's completely party that I've always been it's over to me like me who's completely party that I've always been
What is wrong with you? Stay back there and cry about it, dude. Yeah, go ahead. Throw it out the window. Throw it out the fucking window, dude.
Oh, fantasy freely. So you can't see. No, not at all.
Bye. Bye.
Not that I can. It's where it is to get done.
Whoa! Oh my.
Let's go.
School zone ahead. The speed limit is 40 kilometers.
Jesus!
Turn right onto Clifford Place.
Oh boy, here we go!
We're gonna wrap it up. We're gonna wrap it up.
Oh my god! Holy fuck!
You idiot! What are you doing?
Anymore, most of them. And they seem to be here deserted by Europe.
You're a journalist. What are your fears now regarding press?
LVA 9179.
Work that body, I'ma work that body, and she know it. Pushed out poet,
God.
For the Empowerment Scholarship Academy.
No grounds for the ADE.
That's what I said. People like that ruin it for every. Look at this mother. I don't know where this mother thinks he's going. You gotta wonder where he thinks he's going. I have no idea where he thinks he's going. Really don't. Huh? No idea where he thinks he's going. What idiots, huh?
Lots of them out today, obviously.
No, I know. Trying to figure out where you think they're going.
Just gonna sleep in your truck? Yes, sir.
Whoa, you okay? Are you okay?
646 info.
Who is driving this vehicle?
Sammy?
Sammy? What's Sammy's last name?
Miss Jim, I have to explain it to you first, and then you can start, okay? Oh my gosh! Under arrest for DWI, okay?
Wow, I passed the test.
You're not past the fail test, man.